Learn Excel with Eno.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I really want to thank you very much for taking our time to watch our previous videos and our last video, and we hope you have learned from it. So today we're going to be talking about wrap rows. We're going to be talking about wrap rows. But before we dive into this, I want to quickly share something with you guys with regards summation. Okay, I know most of us are used to the usual summation formula. Say you have 20, 30, 40, and then you want to sum this. You either use equal to sign this plus this plus this, right? Then you get to 90. Or you use your equal to sum formula. This through to this, right? Which is your last cell. And then enter. But there's a shortcut to doing this, which is your okay, so there's a shortcut to doing this, which is your equal to alternates plus. Now I'm going to try that here. Sorry. Let's keep. Oh, we did not see it. Okay. Let me just see. Alternates plus. So you have your equal to, and I think you have to press that twice, right? So I'll do that again. Delete this. Equal to, hold your alternate and your plus key twice. Hold your alternate down, and then your plus key twice will give you the same sum formula. Then that's what you have. So that's just a shortcut for summation. The alternate plus twice. To this row. Okay. So coming down to this place, sometimes we might have figures like this, and then how do you sum this? Instead of doing 22 plus 34 plus 56 plus 78 plus 90. Okay, let me put an equal to there. Okay, so instead of doing this to get 268, you can, which is really time consuming, especially when you have a lot of data. So instead of doing this, we can just use this formula, which is, so I kept it here so that we can always, so that it's glaring and we can always get a glimpse of it. So just use the equal to sum, your hyphen, text split. Okay, that's it here. Text split of this guy, right? Comma, and then your colon to identify what is the column delimiter, which is our comma, because it's comma that we're having here. If you're having a data where there is full stop, then you might need to put full stop here. But here we're having commas, so we just put quotation, comma, and then close your quotation, close your brackets twice. Remember, we have two functions, so brackets twice, and then enter. So that's what you have. I want to confirm something. 34, sorry. So 22 plus 34 plus 56 plus 78 plus 90. So 80. So it gives us the same thing. Yeah, I wanted to confirm that the formula is correct. Okay. So all you just need to do is drag down. So instead of holding down your left button and drag it down, you can simply double click. Remember, shortcuts. This channel is all about giving you shortcuts to achieving to achieving your task in the quickest possible time. So just double click and you have your summation for these guys, right? Okay, I hope you've learned this. So the next I'll be talking about the Wraprows. So what does this Wraprow actually means? Just the same way you have your column here, and then you want to say, for example, you want to copy this and paste this in transpose, right? No, this is transpose. So you just put it this way to come down normally, like what you already have. But when you want to make it horizontal, you transpose it. So transpose, then you come here, pick the first set of data and say, so this is what we are trying to achieve. This is what we are trying to achieve. But you realize that you cannot, if you have a lot of data, you cannot keep copying one by one. So this is where Wraprows function comes in. So you just say equal to Wraprows of your data sets. So comma, then they're not telling you wrap column. Sorry, they're asking you wrap count. This is our vector. Our vector is everything on your data. And then they're asking what is your wrap count. So like we said, this is wanted 3 columns from the initial example we just shared. So we'll put 3 here and then close your brackets. So can you see? So we achieved this dates. I think is the way I presented the dates here. But you can, you can always change your date formatting by coming here, format cell, this right click. I just right click to get this menu bar, format cell, choose your dates. You want it to be like this or like this. So we're good to go, right? So you have your dates, your client, which is the name of any corporation, and then your region. So that's all about Wraprows. I hope you were able to get that. You can do it again just so you get used to it. Wraprows, your vector, everything on your everything on your data sets, comma, what is your wrap count? 3 columns. We're expecting 3 columns. That is the dates, client, and region. So we're expecting 3 columns, and then you close your brackets. So you have the same thing. You can always change your dates. Change your dates from here. Okay, let's just use this for the second example. So this is what we have. I hope you've learned Wraprows today. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's easy? Do you think it's something you want to try? Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to having you on our next video. Stay tuned.